What's up, Pilipinas? I am Joey, inviting you to please watch Single Single on August 29. Sa Cinema One po yan, every Saturday, 8 p.m.
Man o pagyaman, biyahe man kung saan saan, kahit na sino pang iyong angkan. What's up, Pilipinas?
What's up, Pilipinas? I'm po si Mateo Gonzalez. Please catch Single Single August 29 on Cinema One, 8 p.m. That's every Saturday. Thank you po.
Bigay ang inyong gusto. What's up, Pilipinas? Ang show na ito'y para lang sa inyo. What's up, Pilipinas?
Tapos, oo. So, ready ka na to work kahit wala ka ng ano sa mga past mo, wala ka ng issues.
Pangit kasi ang may hang-ups katulad ni Joey.
Oo. Tama.
Mahirap yung ganon. You have to free yourself from the negativity and the hurt. Diba? So, si Joey dadating din siya kay Shaina. Panoorin po natin kung paano.
Tapos, oo. Shaina, kamusta?
Work in progress
Oo.
siya.
Ikaw mismo as Shaina, kamusta ka as a single lady? Kamusta yung pagiging single? Masaya ba? Or...
Mukha naman po akong okay na okay, di ba?
I think she's extra happy.
Wow! Why? Paano mo nasabi, Mahat?
Diba?
Mas masakit ba ulo mo nung meron kang ano, nung hindi ka single, Shaina?
Grabe! Na-observe pala ni Matt yun.
Ay, oh, ganun tama ba yung observation na yon? Medyo mas, ano ka noon, mas stressed ka ba, mas stressed ka nung meron kang, ano, love life?
Ano po kasi siguro, yes, walang stress ngayon sa buhay ko. In general. You can say showbiz tong sagot ko, pero puro trabaho talaga. As in literal, I do Nathaniel thrice a week, and then I do this twice a week, and then I have ASAP every weekends. So, and I'm very, very blessed that I have good coworkers. Masarap silang kasama, magaan silang kasama. So, maski everyday may trabaho, it doesn't really feel like work. Especially itong grupo namin, yung single-single.
Pero as a young, single millennial, kamusta? How does it feel to be single these days?
By choice naman po ako.
By choice?
Oo.
You're not dating?
By choice. Kalma lang po muna.
Ayaw mo muna?
Dadating din naman tayo dyan. Right now, siguro, kasi mas ini-enjoy ko ito. And ako kasi, I'm a very, I think, selfless lover. So, mas uunahin ko yung partner ko kasi sa sarili ko. So, this is the first time na sarili ko yung inuuna ko. And my work and, ayun, everything about me and my family and my friends. My world right now.
So pag nag-i-love ka, girl, talaga nakakalimutan mo yung sarili mo.
Kayo ba hindi?
Ba't binabalik mo sa amin? So ganun ka talaga?
Oo naman. Bakit ka pa magmamahal, di ba, kung hindi? But then, there's a perfect timing for that. And ngayon, hindi po yun ang perfect timing for love.
Okay. Oo, thank you, girl.
Thank you, Ray.
So Matt, gaano ka daring dito yung Joey na character mo? So marami kang eksenang lagi kang naka-boxers, ganyan.
Hanggang doon lang naman. Hindi naman sobrang daring. Joey just likes to feel free. Kumbaga, may linya nga ako doon kasi musikero din siya. Tapos he likes to feel free. He says, this is the way I free my spirit. Kumbaga, just wearing boxers. But,
So you feel, so in real life, you feel free din kapag naka-boxers ka sa harap ni Shaina at ng mga crew.
Hindi naman, si Joey lang yung sa eksena, si Joey. Yun.
Oo. Tapos, ito ba yung show na pwede mong i-recommend to Sarah na panoorin niya rin? Hindi ka ba
Oh, no. I think this is...
No?
No. Yes, I mean, yes, I will recommend.
Okay.
I recommend everybody dahil it really tackles real life things. If there are people out there that are close-minded and naive with the world, with this show, you're gonna see what's happening in reality. Kumbaga, what's happening in people talaga, in working class people going out, starting their jobs, and it's very realistic. So, yeah.
Pero ano naman po, gusto ko lang dagdagan, not because we're straightforward or liberated or whatever, medyo masama na ibig sabihin nun. You know, bilang kasama namin, this is co-produced by Philippine Star, so you want to be responsible also. So, meron mang mga nagkakamali, which is in real life, meron naman nagkakamali when it comes to like, let's say, relationships, one-night stand, gano'n. Meron din namang lessons, bakit hindi mo kailangan gawin yun. And mapapanood din nila yun dito sa show namin.
Galing-galing ni Shaina, ha? Talagang iba yung mga pinaghuhugutan.
Ganun pa lang.
Tas last na kay Matt. Matt, naranasan mo rin naman before maging single, di ba? So, tas ngayon, for a while, medyo talagang matagal ka nang medyo happy talaga. Anong mas in-enjoy mo? Yung maging single or mas gusto mo talaga nung meron kang ano?
Siyempre, na-enjoy ko rin maging single, pero mas na-enjoy ko ngayon na may, di ba?
Talaga? Bakit?
Siyempre, may partner sa buhay, isang sarap-sarap, di ba?
Partner sa buhay talaga, ha? Mas masarap?
So, okay, mas na yung buhay, di ba? Siyempre.
Talaga ba? Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Alan. Question naman po from the back. Doon po sa table nila Tito Mario Bautista. Ito?
Congrats. Hello.
Mario Bautista from Manila Bulletin
So-
and People's Journal. Ay, okay na po. We hear you, Tito.
Hello po.
Congratulations anyway congratulations to everyone concerned about this show. Especially kay Director Pepe Jokno. I read your columns in The Star. Congratulations for Encuentro and for Above the Clouds.
Salamat, thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
this is the first time you're directing a mainstream show.
Yes.
And with mainstream stars. So tell us about your experience so far.
It's been a really, really good experience. Kasi, yung maganda sa amin is we were given a space by Philippine Star and by Cinema One to be free and to explore and to play. So it wasn't as if marami kaming limitations. Actually, maganda yung atmosphere talaga to create. So, first thoughts on set is napaka-light ng buong crew, ng atmosphere. We are, yung script kasi nila, every episode may umiinom eh. So palagi ganun yung atmosphere, para siyang party. And so just, my films are usually have to deal with some sort of social issue or some heavy topic. Above the Clouds is about grief. So to be on a set and have material na napaka-light na pwede tumawa was a good sense of, it was a big relief for me. And there wasn't any pressure talaga whatsoever na, oy, kailangan maging mainstream or kailangan ganito. The directive was really just to tell the story really well. So yun. So I just feel very lucky and grateful to the Philippine Star and to Cinema One for giving us this opportunity.
So what's your experience with Shaina and Mateo directing them?
I learned from them. I really did. I really learned from them. Because the script it's at parts it's happy, at parts it's sad. And there are parts na may drama, there are parts na patawa. And so, in one sequence, for example, si Lilith writes like 5-8 page scripts. Tapos in one sequence, nagsisimula siya nakakatawa, tapos nagiging malungkot, tapos nagiging nakakatawa ulit. So kailangan mag-change ng beats. And it was good na we had this cast, kasi this is a cast of actors talaga. Yung pagka-shoot namin dito para siya stage play, there wasn't really faking it. So they really had to feel the emotions, especially working with Sherry Hill, who's not here today. It was a big learning experience for them. So from Shane and Mateo, and from Anna and from Brian, I really learned a lot in terms of working with actors and giving them that space. I learned dito na may mga actors pala na, there's some actors who put themselves, from Shane, I learned this, there's some actors who put themselves in the character. And there are some actors who, meaning, in order to get an emotion, minamine nila yung personal experiences nila. But at the same time, there's also some actors who tend to just to emphasize with the characters and feel what the characters feel. There's two different styles of acting pala. And I was working with those two different styles in the same scene. So yun, it was, for me, napaka-laking learning experience ito. Tapos, nakakakilig rin pala magpakilig. maganda yung feeling na nagpapakilig sa eksena. And ramdam mo yun pag nagtitake ka, pag may kilig or wala. And maganda yung feeling.
Tutok na sa WhatsApp Pilipinas. Ibutin ang mundo, kainin ang gusto. Alamin ng tamang daan kung paano ang umaseso. Kasama ang buong tropa ng WhatsApp Pilipinas. Aming ibibigay sa madla at ipapadanas. Ang saya ng WhatsApp Pilipinas. Tutok na sa WhatsApp Pilipinas. Ang saya dito sa Pilipinas. Ihahatid sa inyo ng WhatsApp Pilipinas.